let's talk about bar.
Oh, you want to offer me a drink?
Perhaps later. Actually, I was referring to the bar we use on the guitar.
I see. We studied demi-bars for some chords. So now we got to use whole bars, right?
That's it. A bar is when you use the whole forefinger to press all strings simultaneously.
Simultaneously. You mean like this? Oh, I find it a bit difficult, honestly.
At first, yes, but try this. Place your middle finger on top of your forefinger. Use the 3rd fret.
Sure. Oh, that sounds much better.
In time, you'll get used to it. And the bar will be a powerful tool to expand your playing possibilities.
Got it. I'll practice a lot. Now, I have a question.
Let me guess. It's about arpeggio.
You read my mind, but it's not unusual. You spoke of down-only arpeggio. Is there an up-only too?
There are many possible combinations, in fact. Let's see. Last time we chose a D chord, I think.
Here it is.
Okay, use your pick and play an arpeggio going upwards, starting from 1st string.
Here it goes. In fact, I had already tried it on my own.
That's why you're doing so well. Now, try starting from the 4th string, going downwards. When you reach 1st string, don't start again, but go back directly to 2nd string. Then 3rd, and finally 4th.
Like this?
Very nice. Try playing it 4 times in a row, as in a cycle.
Oh, I like it very much.
You did well. Now let's go for a drink.
Great. I have a strawberry sundae.